How to add disable Microsoft family features to your account just in some seconds on your PC. For this, what you have to do is simply open your settings on your PC, that is my Windows 10, Windows 11. I will click on the settings, and in the setting you will find there is an option. So let me just click on account section. In account, that is my Microsoft account. As you can see, I will scroll to the down, and here's an option to add a family. Here you can open your family settings from this. You can add your family members from it in this Microsoft account. And to open the setting of your family account, you have to click on the top of the blue icon, that is open family settings. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical updates, videos and reviews like this.